turn it down a bit in my headset. Okay. This game is called Wild True Learn, and the whole point of this game is to create a cat translator. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure anymore. We're gonna give it a shot. Basically, it teaches you some pretty basic programming methods, and I don't know, it's all programming, so it's pretty fun. Let's try it out. To become a programmer, you must master your art of turning the computer on. Press and hold the flashing triangle and drag to connect the power outlet with your PC screen and keyboard. When it's done, press power button. That will appear in the upper right part of the screen. Congratulations, you're almost a programmer now. Okay. This goes to the screen. That goes to the keyboard. Let's turn the power on. Hey, keyboard's on. Computer's on. Computer's on. Hooray. Okay. Man sits at computer. Man gets error. Drinks cup. Puts cup down? Picks cup back up again? Walks out of room. Okay, okay. Cat sees man leave. Man makes coffee. Cat looks at computer. Cat programs on computer. Cat fixes computer program. Build successful. Meow. Man gets to work. Man is amazed. Cat is happy. Meow. Meow? What did you do? How did you do that? Holy zeros, if only I could understand what this cat has to say. Meow. I guess we'll have to find a way to recognize your speech. Meow. Goal. Cat speech recognition to-do list. Google it on Cat Overflow. Alright. Cat Overflow. Nickname. Old Bean. Let's just go with that. How to recognize animal speech. That little devil has debugged my code. Again, he definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of system, algorithm, which would help me understand him, give me advice, wish me luck maybe. I'm not insane, my mom had me tested. Alright, first of all, if he can type on the computer, just let him type on the computer, right? He speaks some sort of language, let him speak through that. Don't rush ahead of yourself. Making a device that would be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with videos, sounds, etc. when the time is right. A couple of days ago, I've been reading about how expert system can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done with them. Whoa. Okay, welcome your workspace. This is where programming magic and bugs, mostly bugs, is born. To begin, drag an expert system node from the list on the right. Right. Drag the connection line from the starting node on the left to expert system node on the right. If you want to delete connection, place your mouse over the line and press the right mouse button. Okay. That goes there. That goes there. Alright, so this is going to test if it has a photo with a cat and a photo with not a cat in. Alright. It's taking pictures from the camera, and then it's like, hey, is this a cat? If it is, it goes up here. If it's not a cat, it goes down here. Alright. Oh, I have to wait until this is done. Taking a while. Speed it up. 3 times speed. Hey! That was cool. I tried the expert system and it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. Is that what this... Is that what's the fuss is all about machine learning? Are you guys actually working there? This is called visual programming, my fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning's all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Okay. I'm not very good at it yet, apparently. When do I start to actually build a cat translator? Gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. Alright, I'm a ninja now. I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs I don't have time for. It will It'll help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Cat bucks. Check your mail now. Winky face. P.S. You're still paying for the servers though. All right. Hey, old bean. Noob advice. There's an auto help for each new technology. Very convenient. I've turned it on for you now. No need to thank me, but you probably want to change your password. My cat talks 123 is pretty obvious. Is it though? Behold the task tree. This is the map of your progression in the game. Vertical progression stands for story quests. Horizontal branches are optional. Okay. Icon colors stand for different types of machine learning text used in respective tasks. Sounds pretty simple, or so we hope. Okay. We're from a public school. 350 cat bucks. Summer exams have ended and the results are attached to the letter. Could you process them and predict which of the students will be able to enter MIT? Okay. So let's take this in here. Green? Blue? If it's not green, green should go up here. If it's not green, it's gonna be blue. It's gonna go in here. But what if it's red? It only has green and blue. Okay. The test run. Hey! Release the program to complete the task. Cat Cloud cost me 42 bucks. Oh well, 308 bucks. Cool. That was so bad. Errors in... Oh, well, it goes up. Okay. We have some errors in our questionnaires data. Can't solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Alright. Your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with medals too. Medals influence your story progression. Oh, okay. While boosting your self-esteem at the same time. To get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and nodes limit. You can improve your result later on. Okay. New trash can in the real world. This node destroys elements. Okay. Important detail, no matter how many trash cans you place, they will count for one node in the nodes limit. Okay. So I can use as many trash cans as I want. Real data sets have a lot of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. Okay. This probably take 2 nodes. If it's red, oh no. If it's blue, I can do this in 2 nodes. Right? If it's blue, put it here. If it's not blue, put it here. Right? So if it's blue, it's gonna go in the trash. I only want red and green. Hey! Did I make it? Did it. 100%. Release. Hey! Money! Okay. Errors in database number 2. It's us again. We found some new types of errors made by our users. Please update your program. It will be easier if you use a previous version of the code. Hello, I am Eliza. Hi, Eliza. How are you today? What would you like to discuss? Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. For the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. Expert system is a deterministic algorithm which reproduces decisions of a real person. Okay. An example of this is Eliza. The very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. Okay. Custom nodes tab is where you can find nodes composed from your previously created algorithms. Okay, feel free to reuse them in your other tasks. Feel free to edit your custom schemes at any time. Simply double click the right mouse button on them or use the down button on the node. Alright, so we need a red. Do a red else. If it's red, it goes here. Else it goes here. Right? Play? that right? Alright. That works. Release. 822 bucks. Hey, we're making bank. Oh, let's do optimization. Oh, decision trees. How to recognize a cat in the picture. Is there any way to detect the cat without using expert systems? It works for text, but with pictures, not so much. Furthermore, the cat just won't sit still. That it does not. Try decision trees then. Those are like expert systems, but on steroids. Once you feel comfortable around them, try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Or you can use nails or glues or something. Come on, it's just a cat. It won't fight you back. I'm joking. Please don't use anything I mentioned on an actual cat. Okay. Different nodes have different processing rates. This parameter will influence efficiency on your schemes. Icons on the right indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element of data. In the game, this node compares output parameters, the sockets, with an element's color. Okay? If the element color is equal to only one socket's color, the other element moves to that socket. If an element's color justifies both conditions or none of them, it goes to a random socket. What? Decision tree is one of the basic machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes for each element. The tree asks some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. Okay. Let's use color. It's gonna pick, if it matches both or neither, it's gonna pick either one. So we need to separate red and blue. Doesn't matter which one. Right? What if we also, can we change this? It still takes 3 seconds. I can't really add more into it. Test run? Whoa! Hey, I did it! Okay, Illuminati Origins. Wait, no, we gotta optimize. Optimization. We hope it's our last request for you. It's Spanish school. At cat.meow. We've changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time? We need it to work faster. To decrease and increase the speed, click a button on the screen or use the arrows or A and D buttons. Use space to pause. Oh. So you only want red, right? This one and this. If it's red, goes here. I don't know how to make it go faster. Stop. I don't understand. This one goes in 0.3 seconds. How do I get rid of this again? If it's red, goes here. If it means right. Okay. Not very efficient. Whoa, 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 it's sending everything everywhere. That's not it. Okay. Oh, I can use 4 nodes for this. Okay. So if it's red or any... needs to go through, right? If I do this... run it through twice. Think that'll do it? Hey, there we go. I still saw 1 red get through, but I guess that's okay. MedX. MedX at cat.meow. Greetings, our company is manufacturing all organic natural painkillers. They're used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. It's serious stuff. Known side effects, including dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction, are caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. We'd like you to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petals' colors. Okay. What? I can use 3 decisions. Okay. If it's red or red, that doesn't work. Let's sort by green. No, let's sort by blue. Right. Sort by blue. Because blue has to go up here. Right. Right. Blue. This needs to get 19. Fill the stack. Ah, okay. Put this one here, one there. Okay. Then we'll do another one here. Checking for red or blue, green. Right. Looks confusing. Let's try it. It's shooting reds into the wrong one. I'm dumb. Stop. Nope, that wasn't correct. That's incorrect. Incorrecto. Put the greens in here. Put the blues in here. Or the reds. Okay. Reds have to go in here. Test run. Where are the blues? Hey! I think I could make it more efficient, but it met the criteria. Cool. Cool! Error stack overflow. Yeah. Add a lot in there. But I have to do Illuminati. Okay. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Could you design a program that would do that for me? Okay. This node compares shapes. Okay, so it's like the colors one. If an element's shape matches the designated shape, the element goes to the top. Others go to the bottom. In the real world, SIFT, Scale Invariant Feature Transform, is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. SIFT is very fast and is capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Okay, so I need to output triangles. Everything else in the dumpster. Oh, it's so slow though. else it goes in the trash. Test it. That wasn't so bad. Release. What do I do with these cat bucks? I've got so many. Working for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for the sky and become a CTO of a startup. Chief Trade Officer? Something like that. In the world of savage market laws, it's either sink or swim. Will you get rich or bite the dust? It's worth trying anyway. Okay. But I'm gonna do this. Chicken escape. My name is Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I own a small tech farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them manually. That's why we've decided to automate the process. We have all the data about egg parameters, but we need an algorithm which will work without human assistance and with high accuracy. Okay. Without human assistance. Well, besides this part. This is gonna take 2 pieces. One's for circles, one's for squares, one's for triangles. There, that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. Alright, so all of them go into this. Circles go straight up here. Everything left is squares and triangles, right? Those go into here. If there's a square, it's going to shoot it out here. Anything else, which would be a triangle, it's going to shoot out here. Okay? Easy. Oop. Oop. Come on. Oop. There we go. Ooh, barely under time, but acceptable. Release. Crowd psychology. Good day, period. Our company is making a research on crowd psychology, and we need an algorithm which would capable of defining a person's type, like psych type, personality type, based on certain behavior patterns. This way, we will be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. Okay, what? We have identified the parameters to work with, but we need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Okay, what are you doing? What? Oh, what? So I gotta sort by shape and color? Alright. What? Okay. Anything, let's sort the triangles out first. Right? Sort triangles out, because I don't need any of them. Oh wait, I need... Okay, well let's do this first. So if it's a triangle, we're gonna bring it here. Right? Bring it here. If it's green, put it here. If it's anything else, put it here. Sift doesn't do... Anything else can go here. Okay, so green triangles go here. Everything else would be a red or blue circle, right? Now we just need to test for blue. If it's blue, or if it's a red, doesn't matter. If it's blue, it has to go here. If it's red, just send it here too, I guess. I don't know. Wait, can I just... No. I have to check for triangles again. No. All triangles go here. All green triangles go here. Okay, so I need to sort greens. I need to get greens out of here. Any. Trash can. Alright. First decision, is it a triangle? If yes, go here. Now we need to see if it's a green one. If it's a green triangle, send it here. If it's not, throw it in the trash. I don't need it. Alright, so if you're not a triangle, that means you're a circle or a square. Alright, I can use those in either one. But I do not want green ones. I don't need green circles or green squares. So I'm gonna sort the green ones out. If it's green, it goes in the trash. Everything else goes up here. That should work. I don't know how I'm gonna get red squares in here. Oh, what is this? Stop. Let's run. I don't think it's fast enough. Top was accurate, the bottom not so accurate. I wasn't really watching though. I wasn't watching the top enough. Bit checking for then. Can I just skip this one? Going. Yeah, that one useless. Don't even need that. You just go straight to checker. Right? This is bottom area that sucks. Alright. Color check. Red or green? Then we'll do a circle check. I can do... I only want squares. This one only wants triangle. These can all go to the trash can. Still some lag up here. Come on, come on. Yes! It was slow. I think there's a faster way to do it, but I got it. I got it done. All right, I'm gonna stop. Pizza Shack. This. All right, Pizza Smith. Mama Smith's Pizza Shack. Hello! We're honored to invite you to join our startup, world's first AI-controlled pizza place, but our fingers are always stained with flour and we can't really code because of that. Help us write and implement an algorithm that would be capable to separate orders for round pizza from orders from square pizza. That doesn't sound hard. The scheme created while working for a startup does not differ from any other, but there is no solution to startups. The scheme just works better or worse, and your future profits depend on its quality. Okay. So we're just sorting by circle or square. If it's not a circle, it must be a square. Test? Okay. That is the brain of the pizza robot. It sorts orders by the shape of the pizza that your clients order. Okay. These are the users of your startup, in this case your pizza restaurant. They've heard of a new amazing place in town, now they want to grab a slice. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about toppings, only shape matters. Okay. Find the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. If a client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. One more thing, oh my gosh. Clients don't like waiting in queues and they will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. Okay. The market is constantly changing, so pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. Now it's time to launch your first startup. Save? Please? Okay. This table is your principal source of information. Press the next day to proceed. When you switch to the next day, you get the money you've earned or lost, depending on how many user requests are processed by your scheme. Okay. Hey look, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. They're even inviting friends. The cash is flowing. When the hype icon is green, that means your startup is all over news. Expect lots of new money in the bank. Oh boy, it cost me that much. Okay. Hey, just money. Money, money, money. Alright, what's in my inbox? That's every job that I keep getting. High completed task. It says I have... Oh, private. 1965 can be considered a starting point for the work on creating expert systems. That year, scientists of Stanford Research Institute, Edward Feigenbaum and Bruce Buchanan, teamed up with Nobel laureate Joshua Lederberg and began working on a computer system designed to determine the molecular structure of chemical compounds. Okay. Who invented the decision tree? Decision tree is one of the automatic data analyst methods. The first ideas of creating decision trees date back to the works of Hovland and Hunt in the late 50s of the 20th century. However, the fundamental work that gave impetus to the development of this direction was a book named Hunt, Marin, and Stone Experiments in Induction, published in 1960. There's a lot of random facts. Okay. A letter from mom and dad. Oh, they sent me money. Hello, dear. We remember how you cherish your financial independence, but come on. Your birthday is just around the corner. Be a good kid and take this money and buy yourself something nice, will you? We love you very much and we miss you. Don't forget to put a hat on. It's very cold outside. Hey, I got money. That's cool. What's on eBay? You can buy a plant or a cactus. What is that? Banhammer me. What are these things? Do these matter? Oh, hardware. I can buy new hardware. Increases node's work speed by 1%. I can get all these. Just buy. Okay. Ooh, cat skins. I have to get a cat. Meow, meow. Get the Viking. Get a cat. Whoa! It like kicked me into a browser. Okay, I'm back. It wants me to go like join the email. All right. Hide purchase items, please. That was cool. It's week 2, day 1 of 7, so it's a Sunday, I guess. I'm gonna stop there. That was a lot, especially that shape one. That was really killing me. I'm gonna stop there, edit this down, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!